You get to know who's watching you and who besides you resides in your body. Where you slow, where you go doesn't matter, 'cause there will come a time when time goes out the window, and you'll learn to drive out of focus. I'm you, and if anything unfolds, it's supposed to. Oh, you don't throw your time away sitting still. I'm in a chain of memories, it's my will, and I had to consult some figures of the past, and I know someone after me will go right back. I'm not telling of you. I've got this night to unglue. I'll move this fight away by doing things there's no reason to do.